Hi guys, today I will show you how to root your S4, the latest version of 5 Lollipop Android. So first of all you need to go to this page. Write this on your internet and go there and download file by this link. And now you have a folder with Odin is here. This is the software to write the CF auto root. Open the Odin, tap up and choose CF auto root. Then go to your phone and go to download mode. Download mode is to press and hold volume down, home button and power together. Your phone gonna go to download mode, then put the USB cable to your phone. Odin will automatically take your phone in this box and click start button. That's all. Whole operation will be automatically root your phone. I hope the video is useful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel and see you by next video. Hey!